So since I started covering this stock from December 2020, since then I have made couple of videos, and the stock has generated 1400% worth of return in a very short span of time. And with the recent correction and consolidation, it is still up by 950%. So it's a staggering amount of return that the stock has generated, and standing very tall and strong in this particular chart. So it is actually giving us a sense that probably if level holds, we are going to see further upside on this stock, and definitely going to suggest to check out my previous videos on this along with this video, where we are going to talk about the upcoming trend in the next couple of weeks or next couple of months. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about Jaguar Health Inc. Now uh, if you can see, so the most important thing to look at here will be this level, okay, because the stock has taken its recent support. So it is around 2.4. So you can also use 2.4 as your support, or probably can look it as your stop loss as well. So this is a very important level, which one should not ignore in the short term. Now on the upside, what we are going to discuss here. So on the upside, if you are looking at, so the first thing, that the stock must surpass 4.69 or 4.7 for a new trend, okay. But where does the new trend leads us to? That's the question here. So for that we are going to use, or we are going to take the help of our previous trend. Okay, so this is what we have here. Okay, here we have, and here is one more level to see, and I think this is near to the, okay. So here we have all these 2 or 3 levels. So first, as I told you, the stock must hold at or above 4.7. Now if it successfully holds above 4.7, then the next target for this stock will leads us to, or in between, $10 and $12 on the upside, right? So $10 and $12 we are going to look at if the stock successfully sustain above 4.7 or so. And after that, if it surpasses $12, it can extend up to $26 as well. So these are the two big targets which we are looking at on the longer term time frame. This is well in the range. It all only depends upon how the stock is holding at or on the current level, and once the stock surpasses its uh, correction zone, or taken out its previous high, so you will definitely see some big gains or big trends which are yet to become. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.